by any chance, did you create a VPC? Really? Very nice. Superb. Very good. It worked? Very good, guys. Okay. Nice. So, yes. Superb. That's really good, yeah. In one shot, you got it, huh? Nice. Very good. Okay, so without any further delay, what we're gonna do is today, let's work on VPC peering. What is that? VPC peering. So, oh, what is Ravi Chandra? Oh my God. Oh, okay. Thank you. I got scared. Oh, nice. Okay. No. You come and meet me here in Naresh ID. That is more than enough for me. Ravi Chandra. Thanks for asking. Okay, so all right. So what we're gonna do today is let's work on this VPC pairing. So we all know, guys, that how to set up a VPC, how to architect, how to launch EC2 instance in our created infrastructure, correct? So what we're gonna do is today is yesterday's task, we will do it 2 times today. Because to do the VPC peering, how many VPCs you need to have? 2 VPCs. So what we're gonna do is we'll create one VPC in one region, another VPC in another region. So remember, VPC peering can be done in the same region also, different region also, different account also. So let's say, for example, I have, so 1 second. Okay, so first of all, let me share my screen. Okay. Can you please confirm? Can you see my screen and can you hear me well? Okay. So what we're going to do is we will create 2 VPCs. So creating the 2 VPCs in the same region is not that bad. So what we'll do is we'll create one VPC in one region, another VPC in complete in another region. And what we do in Mumbai VPC, similarly what we have set up yesterday, today what we do, we'll create a VPC and then we'll create 2 subnets. One is public, another one is private. And we launch one EC2 instance Baston and we launch one EC2 instance private. And similarly, we go and launch one, we go and create one more VPC in which region? Let's say Ireland region. You can take any region, okay? There, similar setup, Baston and then private. So, but my question here is, our task here is, we will connect to the Mumbai Baston and we'll connect to the private server, okay? And from there, directly I need to connect to the private server of another VPC, another region. That too, private server. Generally, is that possible? No, is not at all possible to connect to other VPC private server directly. So with the concept of VPC pairing, we'll try to do that. Okay. So I'll give you the architecture first. So, okay. Okay. These are 2 regions. So this is Mumbai VPC. What is the site of the Mumbai VPC that we created yesterday? Very good. 192.168.00/16. Super. So guys, To do the VPC peering, please make sure that your VPC siders should be unique. VPC cider should be unique. So is it possible to peer another VPC with the same cider? No. So let's say, for example, we have Ireland VPC. So we'll have one more cider. Can I call like this? 192, 160, instead of 8, can I put 9? 199 series? 00/16. So these two ciders are different or same? Different. So if in order to do the peering, two VPC ciders should be unique. Is it possible to do the VPC peering with the both same ciders? Not possible. Keep that in mind. Okay, in Mumbai, we see yesterday we created, how many subnets we have created? 2 subnets. What are those? What is the cider of public subnet? 192.168, 1.0/24, and private 2./24. Okay, so the first one we call it as what subnet? Public subnet, and second one we call it as private subnet. And then why it is called private subnet? Because it is routing to internet gateway. Why this is called? It is going to the NAT. So, and then we have launched one EC2 instance where? Here. What is this EC2 instance? Bastion. Bastion. So we launch one more EC2 instance here in private. So this is also EC2. This is private server. Okay, ma. So we have our laptops here, correct? So this is the laptop. This is the laptop. So tell me, from this laptop, guys, from your laptop, can you connect directly to your private subnet? Yes or no? Answer is no. Answer is no. How do you connect, Anna? How do you connect? Oh, you have to go all the way to where? To Bastion server. You need to connect to the Bastion, and from Bastion you need to connect to private server. This is how you connect. Yes or no? This is what we did yesterday. This is what we did yesterday. Agree? Everyone? Clear? So similarly, in Ireland, we'll create the same thing. How many subnets we'll create in Ireland? 2 subnets. Similarly, we'll create. What is the cider? 192.169.1.0. Super. /24. Very good. Very good. So this one here is 2.0. The first one called it as public subnet, and second one private. So because it is routing to internet gateway, and this is routing to NAT gateway. So is it from your laptop? Is it possible to connect to your private subnet directly? For this private subnet, answer is no. One second. So, and now, okay. So this is internet. From internet, you're connecting. Okay. So is it possible to connect to your private subnet directly? No. So what you need to do, you need to connect to the public subnet. So you need to connect to the public subnet. So the problem here is, okay, by the way, I'll go and launch one EC2 instance here. I'll launch one EC2 instance here. Which EC2 instance is this? Yeah, this is private server. Okay, ma. Okay. Now my task is, my goal is like this. Excuse me. I should. Okay, sorry. Okay, so my requirement here is, see here, guys, my requirement here is from my laptop, see here, very important, see, from my laptop, I'll be connecting to the Bastion, and from Bastion, I went to the private server. So where we are now? In the private server. So from this, I want to connect to this. Generally, is that possible? They will kill. Another VPC persons will kill, because VPC is completely secure environment, right? So is it possible from your private Mumbai private server, I want to connect to the another region, another VPC, that to private subnet, private server? Is that possible generally? No. So I want this to make it possible. How? Using the concept of VPC pairing. Okay. So using this VPC pairing, you can do this. So from here, you can connect directly to your private subnet. Do we need Bastion server in Ireland? Not required, because we are connecting to the private subnet. So I don't want to connect from my laptop. I want to connect from my Mumbai private server to the Ireland private server. Is it clear the task? Clear the task? Okay. Answer me, guys, very important. Answer me this. You need to answer this. Where we will be in the Mumbai private server. This is public subnet or private subnet? This private subnet is associated to which routing table? Private routing table. And private routing table, all traffic is routed to NAT, correct? So now my requirement is I need to do SSH to this. Okay, let's say, for example, this IP address is 192.169.10. Let's say, 2.10. For example, this is IP address. Okay. So I need to do SSH from this here, no? Yes or no? Clearly listen this here. I need to do SSH from this to this, correct? Okay, now I'm in my private subnet. All traffic is routed to NAT. So that meaning it will go to the NAT, and from NAT it will go to the internet gateway, and it will go to the like this. Is it possible like this to go and connect it? Not possible. So the problem here is private subnet, all traffic is routing to the NAT, but 192.169.2.192.169 series, this network range should be routed to NAT, or it should be routed to VPC peering. So in private routing table, you need to add a new route saying that 192.169 network should be not routed to the NAT, it should route it to the VPC peering. Then only this traffic will go and hit like this. Otherwise, it will connect to the NAT, and from NAT it will go to internet. It will not connect. Do you all understood that question? That one. So if you want to connect vice versa, in this private routing table, we need to add the entry of Mumbai wala. From here in Mumbai private routing table, we need to add the route of Ireland. You got this? You got this, everyone? Okay. Should we do this? Interesting, no? So let's connect. And guys, you already expert on setting up the VPC already. You tell me fatafat, I'll create 2 times now. Okay. Those who have missed yesterday, today they will able to see it again. Okay. So online guys, is it clear for you? Is it clear till here? Super CC, very good. Okay, so where should we go, Nana? Let's go to VPC. Now tell me, you should tell me and I should be creating it. Okay. So let's go here, and we are in which region? Mumbai region. Let's go and create VPC. What is this? Mumbai VPC. What is the CIDR? 60. And then go ahead and then create it. Next, internet gateway. And call it as Mumbai IGW. Create internet gateway. And then attach it. Attach to it. Which VPC? Mumbai VPC. Next, subnets. So we need to create in Mumbai VPC. Which subnet? Public subnet. 192.168.1.0/24. Cool. And then add subnet, and we'll go for private. Private subnet 1B, and then 192.168.2.0/24. Should we go and create this? Next, NAT gateway. So let's go to create NAT. So call it as Mumbai NAT. Which subnet? Public subnet. And then do we have elastic IP? Let's go and create it. So connectivity type public or private? Public. Let's go and create NAT. Next, routing tables. So create routing table. Which one? Public RT. Mumbai. Create it. Next, private. Which one? Mumbai. Create. Next. So next, select public RT. Go to routes. Edit route. Add route. All traffic is routed to gateway. Save. And which subnet? Public subnet is associated. Similarly, let's go for private RT, go to routes, edit routes, add route, all traffic is routed to NAT gateway. Which subnet is associated? Babu, if you are answering like this in interview, I'm telling you, too good, okay? There is no other way that you will not get job. But the only thing is, just pray God that Devda, God, please, interviewer should ask questions on VPC. Fatafat, like this, you will be able to answer it. Okay. I told you that which is the easiest service now? VPC only, no? Right? Within few minutes, you're architecting it. That's good. Okay. So did I associated? Okay, private. Next, Nana. So now we should go and create a security group. Let's go to EC2. So on security group, create security group. Call it as my own Mumbai SG. You can give any name. Here, remove this and select Mumbai. Should we, you said Linux? No, let's go with the Linux only. And then create. And we need to add the self, no? Add rule, all traffic to self. Good. Should we go and launch the EC2 instance now? Launch instance. And call it as Bastion server. Browse more AMIs. Select Red Hat. T2 micro is fine, and go with the 6 PM batch. Edit it and Mumbai VPC and public subnet auto enable it is enable. Select existing security group. Which one? Mumbai VPC. And then launch. And next, we'll go and launch private server. So private server. Select. What private server on this one? Mumbai private server. 6 p.m. Edit it. The Mumbai VPC. And do we need enable, disable? Disable. Select existing security group and this. Amma? Oh, yes, yes. I was concentrating on the question. Very good. Thank you. Okay. And then that's all, no? And then launch. So now these are getting launched. Parallelly, in which region, again, we need to go and create a VPC? Ireland. Should we go and create another VPC? Similar thing where we need to go ahead and create it. So this time, guys, can you create a VPC in the same region also? Another region also? Another account also? Anywhere you can pair it. Okay. So I am in now. So let's go to Ireland. Okay, so your VPC, click on create VPC. Nana, this one is Ireland VPC. What's the CIDR? 192.160.0016. Super. Create VPC. Next, internet gateway. Create internet gateway, call it as Ireland internet gateway. Create it. And then we need to attach it now. Select this and then attach to VPC. Which one? Ireland VPC. Next, Nana, subnets. Create subnet. Which one? Ireland VPC. Call it as public subnet. Which available is on 1A CIDR 192.169.1.0/24. Similarly, add another one, which is called private subnet. I put it in 1B and 192.169.2.0/24. Go ahead and create subnet. Next, NAT gateway. So create NAT gateway. Call it as Ireland NAT. It should be in public subnet. Allocate one elastic IP and then create. Next, routing tables. Create routing table. Call it as public RT, Ireland VPC. Create it and then private R routing table, Ireland VPC. And we need to add the routes now. So select public RT, go to routes, edit routes, add route, all traffic is routed to internet gateway. And subnet association, edit it, public subnet, save. And similarly for the next one, private RT, edit, add route, and to NAT gateway. Which subnet is associated? And we should go and create a security group. In which region? Ireland region. So let's go to Ireland region because I told you we should not use the defaults anymore. So that's why I'm going and creating it. So go to EC2. Security groups. Create security group. Call it as my own Ireland SG. And then remove it and then Ireland. And here, Nana, SSH, my IP. Go ahead and create it. And we need to add one more rule, no? Inbound. Which one? All traffic to self. Okay, so now I'll go and launch EC2 instance. So in which subnet I should launch? Private. Do we need the Bastion here? Not required. Actually, you need to create in public subnet also, correct? Not required. So here I call it as Ireland private server. Browse. Select. Online guys, are you able to follow? Same thing, I'm repeating it, okay? So I have something called Ireland new. So first of all, we need to have this key pair, no? So otherwise I need to create a new key pair. Do we have the key pair here? No, I don't have the key pair. Okay. So as I don't have here, I need to create a new key pair. Otherwise, how do I log in? I cannot log in, right? So I create a new key pair. Call it as 6 p.m. Ireland. Create key pair. Okay, got downloaded. So again, what we need to convert to PPK. Otherwise, no need. Actually, we are doing SSH, no? So not required. Okay, so let's keep that there and edit. Which one? Ireland VPC. Which subnet, Nana? Private subnet. Auto assign enable. It's disable. So select which one? My own Ireland SG, and then go ahead and then launch. Okay, now we have the infrastructure ready. We have the infrastructure ready. So from where should we get connected first? We need to go to Mumbai Bastion. From Bastion, we log into the Mumbai private. From there, we need to connect to the Ireland private. So should we go and connect to the Mumbai Bastion first? Let's go and connect. Appearance. Bold. This. SH auth given. This one 6 p.m. batch. Open. So we architecting nicely. So EC2 minus user and then sudo minus yes. So what is the, so from where? So I need to connect to the Mumbai private server. So we need to get the SSH command, no? So copy this SSH command and then paste it. But do we have that 6 p.m. batch.pem file? No. So what we need to do? We need to create the file, no? So vi 6 p.m. batch.pem. Go to insert mode. So where is that? 6 p.m. batch pem file. Edit it. So Control A, copy it, and then paste it, and then save it. And then ch mode 400 to 6 p.m. batch. Should we connect now? 400 Linux concept. So read, first one we call it read, second one write, and third one execute. So we have the permissions with numbers. 4 meaning read, right? So that is a big topic again. So we should not go there. So, okay. So next, yes, you can also use plus R. Yes, you can use. So now we should go and connect it. Okay. Got connected now? Yes or no? So we connected to 192.168.2.35. So I'll go sudo minus yes. So where I'm now? In my Mumbai private server. So from here, the topic begins. So from here, where should we go connect? Ireland private. So should we go to Ireland and get that command? Select it, click on connect and copy this. And here it is. And it is requesting for which PEM file here? 6 p.m. Ireland. Should we get the PEM file here? Do we have PEM file here? That was Mumbai wala. This one is Ireland, correct? So should we go ahead and then similarly here, VI 6 p.m. Ireland.pem. Insert mode. No. So just now we downloaded, no? This one. Edit it. Control A, copy, and then paste. Save it. And CH mode 406 p.m. Ireland. Okay, now this will work. How it will work? Have we done VPC peering? No, we haven't done the VPC peering. So from where to where we do the VPC peering? From Mumbai to Ireland. So to which region we should go now? Mumbai. So let's go to, on the Mumbai, do you see on the left side, we have peering connections? Click on peering connections. Peering connection is similarly like sending a Facebook request. Have you sent a Facebook request? To whom? Huh? Okay. Confidential. Huh? Okay. So create peering connection. So click on create peering connection. So from where to where you are peering? From Mumbai से Ireland जाने वाली गाड़ी, Ireland peering. Okay, Mumbai to Ireland peering. So who is the requester? Mumbai. Select the Mumbai. And who is the another guy? That so your another acceptor. Mumbai is called requester. Ireland is called acceptor. So your acceptor is in your account or other account? My account. Okay. And then which region? This region or another region? Select another region. Which region? Ireland. So select Ireland. So here it is asking for VPC ID. Which VPC ID? Ireland. So go to Ireland and get that VPC. The Ireland VPC, no? Where is ID? Do you see ID? VPC ID. Copy this and then put it out here. And then click on. Now the request has been sent to the Ireland. Who should accept? Ireland should accept. So let's go to Ireland and peering connections. See, here we got. Select it and what we need to do? Accept or reject? If you like, accept. If you don't like, reject. Okay, so click on accept request. Click on accept. So because if your VPC ID is known to others, chumma they will send a request, no? Yes or no? If you know others' Facebook ID, you keep on sending the request, correct? Yes or no? Similarly, here it is up to that baby whether she want to accept it or reject it. Similarly, here also, if your VPC ID got leaked to someone, so they will send a request, but will you blindly accept it? No. So you need to reject it. So you have to know who is requesting and from where you are getting the request. So I'm clicking on accept request. So now, Chiti, pending acceptance, active. Got active now? So the tunnel got established? Now tell me, will this work? This will work? This will work or not work? Not work. Very good. Why? All traffic is routing to NAT. So now which traffic should be routing to VPC peering? Ireland wala traffic, because from here I'm sending to 192.169. 169 means which network? Ireland network. So from here now, in which routing table I need to add the route? Mumbai, which routing table? Public or private? Private. Excellent. So go to route tables and select private route table, routes, edit route, add route. Which traffic, Nana? 192? You can give the whole range also, or you can give the only particular subnet also, no issues. So if you give like this, for entire Ireland network, you have access. Otherwise, if you want to restrict it, you can give only particular subnet. Like you said, 2.0 is also fine. So now, all this traffic should be routed to where? Peering connection, VPC peering. This is the peering. So, and we need to do the same thing on the other side also, no? So where? Ireland private routing table. Ireland private routing table, routes, edit routes, add route. Which traffic? 8.00/16. Routed into peering connection. Excellent. Now will this work? Huh? It should work. But one small twist here. So we are connecting from here to here, correct? Yes or no? This EC2 instance is secured by security group. Which security group? Ireland security group. And this EC2 is secured by Mumbai security group. So where are you doing SSH? From Mumbai private server, you are doing SSH to Ireland, right? So in this security group, you are giving SSH to my IP here. We selected my IP, no? Which is wrong. So not wrong, but the thing is, SSH should be from where? From Mumbai. So guys, from here we are connecting to the Ireland, correct? So it has the Ireland has the security group. So in inbound rules, which traffic should be allowed? Mumbai traffic should be allowed. So in Mumbai, which traffic should be allowed? Ireland traffic. So in Mumbai security group, I need to add SSH to that one, to Ireland one. So in Ireland, I need to add SSH to Mumbai one. You got this point? So I go to security group. Which one? Mumbai. And my own security group, inbound rules, edit, add, which one? SSH. Which one here? Custom, which network? 192.168.9.0.0/16. So anyone who is connecting from that side, they can allow. And similarly in Ireland, go to Ireland security group and select this guy, inbound rule, edit, add, which one, Nana? SSH. And which one? 192? 16. And several. And should we check now? Fingers crossed. Because it is very big task, no? Amma, you know, right? This one is a almost 2 sprint task. That meaning 1 sprint is equal to 2 weeks. So 2 sprints meaning 4 weeks task. This one people will take in real time. Okay, let's do. Wow, do you see that? Yes, where we connected 192.169.2.7. Which one? Ireland private server we have connected. From where? From Mumbai. So this is called VPC peering. So guys, so this is the topic on the VPC peering, but I'm telling you one thing. Let's say you have so many VPCs. So many VPCs like this. Is it possible for you to go and set up peering like this? You'll go mad. Yes or no? Previously, people were doing like this. So after that, AWS has introduced a concept which is advanced concept, or it is not required for you. We call it as transit gateway. Which one, Nana? Transit gateway. What is the meaning of transit? Transing. So the traffic using this transit gateway, so everyone will get connected to this transit gateway, And based on the routing tables that you have mentioned, it will route from wherever you want. You can route it simply like this. It's like a hub. Transit gateway is like a hub. So it is an advanced. If you are interested, you can explore on it. It's very easy also. Okay. And also, I'm giving you another additional things for you. Actually, till here is fine. It's enough. But I'm giving little more additional information. So this peering is doing from AWS to AWS only, correct? VPC to another VPC. But where are you working? You will be working from the company, right? So this is the company. So from company, if you want to connect it to, if you want to connect to AWS, how do you connect? Using VPN. Very good. Using VPN. So I told you this VPN, this VPN will be established by whom? By you or by your network administrator? By your company network administrator. And I'm telling you, 99% you will not get chance, because the company have already this VPN setup. Unless you go for a new startup company and they ask you to do the setup, this VPN setup. Otherwise, 99% the VPN setup is already created. Okay. So to just give an information, to set up this VPN on the, guys, it is the combination of your company guy and you. You meaning from AWS point of view, from your company point of view. From AWS point of view, you need to create 3 things for VPN. How many things you need to create? Very simple. Just create. How we create a VPC? Create VPC, give the name and create. Simply. Like this, you need to create virtual private gateway. VPG. What you need to create? Virtual private gateway. And then you need to create customer gateway. What you need to create? Customer gateway. And finally, you need to create site-to-site VPN you need to create. Guys, on the left side, if you go to VPC section, on the left side, do you see this here? Customer gateway, virtual private gateway. Click on virtual private gateway. As we don't have company now, we cannot create it, right? Click on create private gateway, give the name, and then click on create. That's it. Nothing to give here. Just give the name and then create it. After that, you need to create what? You need to create customer gateway. Customer gateway meaning who's your company. For AWS customer meaning your company. Your company will give you one IP address, one range. So click on create customer gateway. You need to give that IP address here. Whose IP address? Your company IP. So this IP address will be provided by whom? Your company network administrator. And then click on customer gateway. And finally, you need to create what? Site-to-site VPN. Once you click on create VPN connection, do you see here? This will get enabled. You download this configuration and give it to the company network. This is what you need to do. And your company guy will take this configuration that you have prepared here, and he will set up the connection tunnel from your company to AWS. This is an additional thing. Okay. So what are the things that you should create? VPG, customer gateway, site-to-site. So finally, what you need to do, download configurations and give it to the company network admin to set up VPN connection from company to AWS. Clear now? Easy. VPC. Clear? Online. Did you delete the VPC also? Yesterday? You created and deleted? No. Elastic IP also got to you release? No. Yes. Okay. Any questions? Clear completely? Online? Super. Okay. So finally, the time has come to say bye-bye, right? So generally, what I used to do is I'll um, enable for, especially for online people, I'll allow them to speak. But here, as I'm in Naresh IT, I don't have speaker, right? I don't have speaker. Otherwise, all your offline people can also hear what they talk. So generally, at the end of the class, people share their feeling. It's really a little bit hard. So because they don't want to, because uh, we had almost more than 2 months journey, right, on this career. So they feel more emotional and then they talk a lot. So, but I still, as I cannot enable the mic for you, you can put the message what you feel. So yes, Navya, please extend more days. So this is it is the longest thing. Okay. So guys, we have discussed quite a lot of technical. Let's not talk about technical for a few minutes. So let's talk something else. Okay. Yes. So take the screenshot meanwhile. And if you want to, and guys, did you give the feedbacks? Did you wrote the feedback, ma? Everyone? So I just want to say that taking this course was one of the very few best decisions in my life. Thank you, Sushant. Sushant, all the very best. Tanmay, do you teach any other course? As of now, only only AWS. Whatever you did till now, Hussein, the same things. So Mishra, thank you for teaching. This is more for our career, a little bit confidence section. Very good. Thank you, Stalin. So those, Dheeraj, we really miss your teaching, sir. Thank you. Where should we join the best DevOps classes like you? So you have to attend the demo classes. In Naresh IT, there are so many good DevOps trainers are there. Just attend the demo classes and then if you feel good, you can. Okay. Sir, it was pleasure to be your student. We miss you, sir. Okay. So as a fresher, you have to give your try. But once you enter into this, into the companies, then you will have a very good time because as you have learned already AWS. How long we can access to the labs? You can practice, no issues. There is no, we miss you and your 2 months routine. Thank you, Nagur Sharif. Okay, so guys, so as I said, finally the time has come. So it's really a good time that I had with you guys. It's really fun and entertain. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to teach you for wonderful students like you, right? And I really pray God to have a very good career for you guys. And I wish you a very, very and all the best for your future endeavors. And the earth is very small. So definitely you can meet me in some time after this course, right? And then I wish and I pray those who have not got the jobs yet, so for them, good days are coming. So please don't stop learning, because you can learn a lot from your mistakes, right? So please keep on continue learning the topics, and definitely I'll be missing this class and this time and you people. And I don't have anything to say. I really wish all the best for your future. Okay. So, and also, and I always say one thing, as you have got so much of knowledge from me, and definitely we don't know, because there are so many people here, correct? In some point of time, and many people might have already got the job. So I have seen so many people sent an emails also in my previous batches and this batches also. They have extended their gratitude and thankfulness via emails to me. So whenever you reach your heights, whenever you become a successful person, whenever you got a job, whenever you feel happy on the AWS part, so just think for a second and give a smile. Remember me and give me a smile. That smile will definitely reach me. Okay. So thank you very much, guys, and all the very best. And I pray God for all your health and then good beings in coming next future. Thank you very much. And that is all, guys, for today. And signing off, your Riyaz sir. And thank you for bearing for 2 months, and all the very best. Thank you, guys, online people. Thank you. Jai Hind. Bye-bye.